Hello students, Standard 7th English Medium. As you know, yesterday we started the revision of the chapter number 1 and we learned some blanks. We learned 15 blanks. We are going to start from the few other, so 16th one. All natural numbers blank and negative of natural numbers are called integers. So here you can see that natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Negative of them is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So and whatever is remaining in the middle, that is the 0 is remaining. So all natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers are called integers. So answer is the remaining number, that is 0. 17th. Dash is the smallest natural number. Here also to be careful, because smallest natural number is 1 and smallest whole number is 0. Sometimes by mistake you can write down 0 because the smallest number is 0, but it is smallest natural number. So answer will be 1. Then sum of an integer and its additive inverse results in blank. Means what is the sum of the integer and its additive inverse? We know that when we add integer and its additive inverse, answer always becomes 0. Say 5 plus minus 5 minus 8 plus 8. So the number and its additive inverse results in 0. So answer is 0. 19. Plus 8 plus 9. Here only to make you confused, there is plus sign are given in the bracket also. So it is simple 8 plus 9 and 8 plus 9 is 17. So answer is plus 70, or you can write down only 17. Doesn't matter. So answer is 17 because 9 plus 8 is 17. Minus 12 plus minus 6 is equal to dash. So now we know that both have same sign. So 12 plus 6 will be 18, but the greater number has negative sign. So answer is minus 18. That is very simple. 21. Yeah, but sometimes students make mistake like that. Minus 12 plus minus 6. So what do they do? 12 minus 6 is 6. So answer minus 6. They are generally doing that, but that is totally wrong. So don't do like that. We have to do like that way. That minus 12 minus 6 means both the negative numbers. So we have to add them and the answer will be again negative because greater number have negative sign. Then 21st, minus 7 multiply by minus 4. So now multiplication will be 28, but now minus minus will be plus. So answer is only 28, not minus 28. 22nd, minus 10 multiply by plus 5. So here one negative, one positive. So answer will be negative. So negative. Now we have to multiply them. 10 5s are 50. So answer is minus 50. 23rd. The commutative property. The commutative property does not hold good. Does not hold good for dash of integer. We already know about these properties. The commutativity holds for positive, the addition, and for multiplication, but it does not hold good for division and subtraction. So if it is like MCQ, you can choose from any of the option given, but here you can write down any of the answer. It can be either subtraction or division. So we will write down here for subtraction or division of integers. So commutativity never held for the subtraction and for division. So if it is MCQ, you have to choose whatever is there. Otherwise, you can write down both the answers. Both of them are true. Now, 24th. Minus 10 multiplied by blank is equal to minus 10. So now it is very simple that which is the product will give you number itself. So minus 10 multiplied by how much will give minus 10 again? Obviously 1, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. So minus 10 multiplied by 1 is minus 10. Minus 20 multiplied by blank is equal to 0. Here multiplication 0. Okay, when can be 0? When we multiply any number with 0, then only answer will be 0. So minus 20 multiplied by 0 is 0 again. Then minus 7 minus 7 is equal to blank. So now minus 7 minus minus will be plus. So you can write down like that, minus 7 minus minus plus 7. The minus 7 plus 7, answer will be 0. So your answer is 0. So for your convenience, I just write down the step. You can do yourself also. A divided by 0 is blank. Here most of the students will write down 0. But A divided by 0, is it possible? We know that division by 0 is not possible, not defined. So you can write down is not possible or not defined. We can write down not possible. Why? Because we can't divide any number by 0. So A divided by 0, your answer will be not possible. So you can check that whatever the alternatives are given for the MCQ, or If it is like a blank, then you can write down not possible. Then 28. Minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus minus 5. Represent blank property of integers for addition. Now here addition, which property that if you change the order, it doesn't matter, answer will be the same, and that is known as commutative property. So your answer is commutative property of integers for addition. 29. Dash multiply by minus 53 multiply by 1 is equal to 53. Dash multiply by minus 53 multiply by 1 is equal to 53. So we know that minus 53 multiplied by 1 is minus 53 itself. But answer is 53. It means that negative will be positive. So answer will be minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. Then the 30. Here minus x divided by y is equal to blank. Here actually there is some options are also given, but here you can use that minus can be used any place. So it can be written as x divided by minus y, because when negative sign is either in the numerator or in the denominator, it represents the same integer. So answer is x divided by minus 1. Now we are going to do some multiplications. The question next is find the following products. Find the following products. First one, minus 2 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 1. Now here we can multiply first without sign. So here 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 1 is equal to 6. But now we know that if number of negative sign is for even time, answer will be positive. But if negative sign is odd times, answer will be negative here. Here negative sign comes 3 times, means odd number. So answer will be negative. Therefore, we can write down minus 2 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 1 will be minus 6. Second sum. It says 10 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 2. Here we can do by directly also. 10 multiply by negative becomes positive. So it will be 3 2s are 6 only. So answer is 10 6 are 60. So here negative becomes positive. So 3 2s are 6. So 10 6 are 60. So your answer will be 60. Number 3 now. 4 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. Here also we can do the same thing. That 4 multiplied by 3 5 is 15, negative, negative, positive. So answer is 54 sir. Here also same answer 60 comes. Fourth one, minus 50 multiply by minus 70. Oh, very big. Multiply by 0. Now here, people don't look at properly and they will do multiplication 50 multiplied by 70. But why we will do it? Because anyhow answer will be 0. Why? Anything multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. So here, nothing to do. Directly write down, answer will be 0. Number 5. Minus 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 2. So here you can do like that, minus 5 multiply by 3 2s are 6. Now one is negative, one is positive, the answer is obviously minus. So minus 5 6 are 30. So your answer is minus 30. Sixth one, minus 1 multiply by 1 multiply by minus 2. So here first you can do this one. Minus 1 multiply by 1 is minus 1 multiply by minus 2. Minus minus becomes a plus. So 2 ones are 2. So answer is positive 2. Then the seventh number, minus 3 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 3. So now here also you can directly multiply. That 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, 27. But number of negative integers are 3. So answer will be negative. Therefore minus 3 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 3 is equal to minus 27. And the eighth sum, minus 2 multiply by 5 multiply by minus 4. So here first we will multiply. Minus 2 5s are 5 2s are 10, but one is negative, one is positive, so answer is negative. So minus 10 multiply by minus 4. So now 10 4s are 40 and negative negative will becomes positive. So your answer is 40. So whenever you multiply, we have to remember that if there are number of negative integers are odd, answer is negative, and number of negative integers are even, then answer will become positive, because each pair of negative negative will make it positive. So that is the way we do the multiplication. So here today going to finish this session. It will be followed by PDF file in which there will be more things for the homework also, like MCQ or true and false, etc. etc. So write down everything in the notebook, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.